Hi, I'm Alexandra, and today I'm going to show you how I like to multi-mask. I'm going to show you the first step of my multi-masking layering extravaganza over here, and that is to do a mask combo. 2 masks because you're not always having to stay restricted with one mask. Your face has different skincare needs. For example, my T-zone tends to usually have significantly larger pores. Now, on the other hand, on the outer side of my face, I tend to be more dry and more dehydrated. So today, I'm going to use for the T-zone this peel-off mask from Pure Heals. It's called Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Apply a generous layer of this on clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area, the lip area, and the hairline. What I like about this mask is that it can help with the removal of blackheads. And in terms of individual ingredients, the green tea extract can help control with the secretion of sebum. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna give it the time it needs to dry, and I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face because there is more. And I'm gonna use this mask from Dr. Botanicals because I mentioned that the skin need that I have here is very different than my T-zone. My skin here is very dry and very dehydrated. And what I personally like to do is I like to pack a little bit more of the product on the areas where I'm prone to breakouts. So I'm gonna let all this percolate, and when the time comes, we'll wipe it off. We're going to peel off the mask and we're going to cleanse the skin. My skin feels amazing so far. Next step is also one of my favorites because I'm addicted to sheet masks. And what I like to do with my sheet masks, I like to get any excess product that's from my fingers onto the lips, neck, and then of course, back of the hands. Leave on and rest for 15 minutes. I like to use a roller gently just to help with product absorption. Okay, time to remove the sheet mask, and after I take it off, I'm going to tap in the excess product left over on the skin. My skin feels amazing. Okay, it's time to mask the eye area, and I'm going to use the Hey Honey Look Into My Eyes Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to very gently massage a thin layer to the eye contour area. Moving on to the sleeping mask, not just any sleeping mask, though, aloe gel sleeping mask. I love aloe vera for hydration because I'm keeping up with the hydration momentum that I've got over here. And I also like that this can be used as a moisturizing cream during the daytime, but then as a sleeping mask at night. Last but certainly not least, we have to take care of our lips. So I'm going to use the Tarte Jelly Glaze. It's like a lip mask. You can use it at night, but you can also use it as a lip balm during the day. It has this beautiful tint. I absolutely love it because my lips tend to be pretty pasty. And there you have it. This is how I like to multi-mask. I hope you enjoyed this. My skin feels so dewy and hydrated and plump right now, and I feel really good as a result. Please let me know in the comments how you like to multi-mask, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.